Hello friends, today we'll be learning about bar graphs of chapter number 6, class 6. In the previous year you have learned about pictograph, in which it consists of the pictures which represent the number of vehicles and the name of vehicles is given. Here the number is less, so we can represent it in pictogram. But what if the number increases? We are having more number, so it is to be represented. It will be difficult to represent it in a pictogram. That's why the need comes for bar graphs. Now in the bar graph, this is just an example I've drawn to explain you. Here the horizontal line is known as x-axis. It is having name of vehicles. And here the variable that increases or decreases, that is number of vehicles, is given on y-axis. So two axes are there, x-axis horizontal and vertical is y-axis. The intersection is at point 0. Now let's understand first. Here we have to draw a bar graph using the given information. On a bar graph we have to take a proper scale. On x-axis we are taking the name of vehicles which should be equidistant from each other. That means all the graphs should be at equal distance. And on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 vehicles. So here the given table is there. Here name of vehicles, bicycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, bullock cart, all are given. And number of vehicles, that means 30 bicycles are there, 25 scooters, 5 auto rickshaws and 15 bullock carts. Now this is a bar graph. Here we are making x-axis horizontal axis, that is x-axis. Here we are taking name of vehicles. As you all can see, it is at equal distance of 1 centimeter. And here we are taking on y-axis number of vehicles. So here we are taking 1 centimeter is equals to 5 vehicles. So we'll start from 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on we can take. Here we are supposed to write the scale whatever is given in the question. That is on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 vehicles. So how we are doing this? Let's see. First one is bicycles, number is 30. So we'll mark up to 30. Where it is? This way. So we'll draw the vertical line joining the bottom. Okay. And fill it up with lines. It is optional, but we are filling it up. Now here it is 30. Here it is scooters are 25. Next auto rickshaw is 5 number and bullock carts are 15 in number. So we'll mark it up and draw the vertical lines joining to x-axis. In this way we have to represent a bar graph. As you all have learned how to represent a bar graph, there are some other questions also can be asked, like observe the graph and answer the following question. That means from the graph only you have to answer the questions. Now here in this graph, x-axis we are having cities, that is Panchgani, Pune, Chandrapur, Mathiran, Nasik. And on y-axis we are having temperature, and scale is given on y-axis. 1 unit is equals to 5 degree Celsius. Now here Panchgani is having 25, Pune is having 30 degrees, Chandrapur is having 35, Mathiran is having again 25, Nasik is having 30. So here the graph is given to be followed. Now first question in the graph is what data is shown on the vertical line and horizontal lines. Now here from the graph we can say vertical lines temperature is shown, and on the horizontal line name of the cities. Next question is which city had the highest temperature. Now in this graph, which is the highest graph, you can compare and tell, that is Chandrapur graph, that is 35 degrees. So answer will be writing Chandrapur had the highest temperature. Next question is which cities had equal maximum temperatures. Now in this graph, which cities are having equal temperatures, that is Panchgani and Mathiran are having 25 degrees Celsius, and Pune and Nasik are having 30 degrees Celsius. And this way we'll be representing the answer. Next one is which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees, that is Pune and Nasik had maximum temperature of 30 degrees. What is the difference between the maximum temperatures of Panchgani and Tarapur? First of all, Panchgani is having 25 degrees and Chandrapur is having 35. Difference means we have to subtract it. So 35 minus 25 is 10 degrees. So in this way you all have to answer the questions related to the graph and draw the graph also. If you find any difficulty, just comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.